I made this. I had to wait out a spring snowstorm, but after a few days, some full moon hot tubbing, and a beer with friends, I got through it. Here he comes. Zip through the process of building a critter and hail resistant raised garden bed project with me. So, the entire order is here. Everything looks good. I haven't pulled everything off of the pallets yet to check to see if there's any super warped boards or cracked, but I'll do that. I'm excited. Can you tell? This is what I built last year. 3x10 beds. 2 of them. And then, of course, I have my garden tower. If you'd like a supply and cut list, comment below and let me know and I'll get one put together. Then check the description box below and click Show More for details.
I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on. I said, babe. I said, babe. Oh, honey, come and groove along. You gotta.
Alright, so I have my rectangles, 3x10. You could stop here. Only thing is in the very center, once you get a bunch of dirt in there, they might bow out a little bit from the way of the dirt and the water. But really, that would be a basic raised garden bed. You just have to put it down on the ground and fill it up with soil and plant it. But I'm going to do more. Please take a second and hit the like button. It really helps my channel reach more people. My son and I are placing the beds so that we can mark the area around each for cutting out the sod. Then we place the beds and I tilled the area inside them.
just for you. So come along and take my hand.
All right, old beds reconstructed with the higher sides, and then we got the mesh put in the ends because those are full of soil. I got the garlic replanted. The two new beds I'm not putting the mesh in yet because I need to fill these with dirt yet. Please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell for videos. I've left the galvanized hardware cloth long under the door frame to build a bunny-resistant door sweep that's flexible and follows the ground contour when the door is open and closed. I made a crude door handle and put a gate latch on each door with an emergency pull on the inside so I don't get locked in. Voila! Both screen sides of the entire unit fold out for side access, and the support poles are kept in place with a screwed-in rubber furniture foot. There's bird-friendly space around the top so they can get in to eat the bugs but not get trapped inside, and the beds are covered to be protected from the hail, and the structure is screened to keep deer and bunnies out. That's about it.